people fighting? I'm asking now, they are keeping quiet. Why are you people fighting? You never see anything. Okay. Now I ask, who is the cause of this fight?
You. It's you.
What be this? What be this? What be this?
I ask again, who is the cause of this fight?
No, it's her.
I ask, you point each other. Okay, Beulah, what is the problem?
I was thinking that she came and found my trouble.
She looked for a trouble, just like that. You did not do anything. Okay, you, Christabel, what happened?
I was just sitting there like this. She now carried her hand and just stuck in my head.
She did not do anything. She just come and conk your head. Ah, okay. Where were you sitting? That side. But sit down. Christabel, one of you, go and sit there. I want both of you to show me what really happened. Show me who were you doing? I think you were reading. Can you book and read? What were you doing? Let me see. What?
I don't want peace. I want problems always.
Hey!
God have mercy upon us.
Okay. Have you seen?
Yes.
Did you watch it?
Yes.
So, who look for each other's trouble?
Christabel.
Christabel, you look for her trouble, but Christabel, lead down. Now, Beulah, she's kneeling down, you are smiling. You have won. You say you were reading, Shebi. Now, as you are reading, you are a misreader. Are you aware of it? Now, since you are reading, can you mention one floating object?
Shit.
Jesus! God have mercy upon us.
Mr. Reno, you don't come, you know they play, where you want fun.